Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Canva account. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you create a UGC portfolio in your Canva account for free? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved. So be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create a UGC portfolio anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing UGC content, you know that a lot of the brands want to see a portfolio before they commit to purchasing content from you. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Canva account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Canva account and this is the home screen. Now, the cool thing about Canva is if you want to set up a UGC portfolio, they have a lot of free options. Of course, you can upgrade to have a wider selection of the different templates. However, what you want to do is click on the home button here on the top left. Once you do that, it's going to show all of your recent designs. But here on the search bar, what you want to do is click in there and just type in UGC portfolio right here. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all of the different Canva templates that people have created for a UGC creator portfolio. You can see right here. So what you want to do is over here on the right, click on see all. Okay, now all of these are branded as a UGC portfolio. Some of these people are really creative, so you can kind of just scroll through and then see which one kind of fits with your brand. Now, as you can see right here, they have the pro versions right here. So if you see one that you like and it has that, you do have to upgrade to the pro. However, if you want to filter out by the free ones, you can go ahead and just click filters or all filters right here. All right, once you do that, you're going to see all these filters. Just scroll all the way to the bottom and then you're going to click on free and then click on apply. Okay, so here are all of the UGC portfolio. Also, another thing you want to look at is you want to look at the type of portfolio. So me personally, I like the websites because I can go in there and edit them. I just have to send a link. But maybe you want a presentation, you can do that. Or you want a document, that's really up to you. So let me go ahead and just scroll through here. So this one looks pretty cool. I like the colors on this one. So let me click on it. Okay, so you can see there's a few pages in this UGC portfolio. So this looks pretty nice, actually. So let me go ahead and use this one. So I'm going to click on customize this template. Okay, guys, so now you can see there are 10 different pages in this UGC creator portfolio. You can see right here. So the cool thing is it's basically set up like a Facebook page. So it's pretty easy to edit. So for example, right here on this wording, you're just going to click into it and then you can go ahead and edit the word. So maybe I'm going to put, hi, my name is Anthony. Nice to meet you. Okay. And then this girl right here, nice looking girl, but obviously that's not me. So I'll just hover over her and then I'll click on her. And then once you clicked on her, the weird thing about Canva is I don't know a way that you can kind of swap the pictures out. So what you need to do is click over here on upload. Okay. And then it's going to show all the images that you've uploaded. If you don't see the image that you want to replace her with, you can go ahead and just upload from your computer right here. Once you upload it, it's going to show up right here. And then to change you out for her, all you do is just grab your picture and just drag it right on over. You can drag yourself next to her or you can drag yourself right over her. Okay. So I just dropped myself right over her and well, it looks like it dropped onto the wrong section. So let me go ahead and adjust this out of there. Okay. Okay. So I went ahead and just dropped myself right over her. Now, if you have the premium version, you can go ahead and clear out this background and that way it's just you instead of having all this other stuff. And maybe we'll click right here. Okay. So it says portfolio. That looks okay. So UGC creator. So up here, I'm going to go ahead and change out my name. Okay. And then here you can go ahead and add in your @ if you want. Okay. So that looks pretty good. You can go ahead and add the date. We'll do 24. Okay. So now this page looks pretty good as my UGC portfolio. So next we're going to click on to the next page. Okay. So same thing. We're just going to go ahead and keep editing how we see fit. So once again, I'm going to go ahead and switch myself out for her and I'll just drag myself on over her. I'm just going to use the same picture for the purpose of this video. So I'll click on her and once again, go ahead and just swap right over her. And then you're going to click in here, edit. I am the best UGC creator out there. All right. And then here, same thing. We're going to go ahead and change her name out. Okay. All right. So, well, my name's not Avery. So I'm going to go ahead and change this out also, Anthony. So as you can see, it's just like putting together a Facebook page. It's pretty easy. And then also if you want to add extra items in here, you can go ahead and just drag it right on over to where you see fit. So let me change this name out. And then if there's parts in here that you don't really like, you can go ahead and just delete them. So right here, just right click. And then I don't want to put my @ so I'll go ahead and just delete. And then that just disappeared. All right. So let's jump over here to the portfolio section here on the bottom. Okay. So we have this girl again. So I'll just click on her. Okay, once I clicked on her, I'm going to go ahead and actually add a video. So I'm going to click here on videos that I have and you can upload videos right into your Canva. And I'm just going to drag this video right over her. All right, I'm going to drop it in. Okay. You can see the video is a little cut. So I'm going to expand it a little bit. Okay. There we have it. So now we have a video. So whoever ends up on this portfolio, they'll actually see the video there. And then also if we want to add something in, so like I said, we can go ahead and add text. So we can add a text box, right? It's dropped off right there and you're just going to move it around to where you want it. So this, I'll drag it down here. You will not regret. All right. And then you can drag other elements. So maybe we want an arrow. So we'll click right there, and then maybe this downward arrow, I can just drag it right on over here into my UGC portfolio, and you see it just appears right there. So maybe we can go ahead and resize it and move it right on over. Okay, so that looks pretty good. Let me go ahead and move myself out of the way. Okay, so now we have our UGC portfolio, but you're not quite finished until you click up here on the share button. Okay, so the cool thing about this with your UGC portfolio that we created in Canva, you can go ahead and download it. So it's going to be a document. You can also copy the link. Now the link you need to give it access. So click right here and anyone with a link. All right, now we're going to copy link. Now let me show you what it looks like. We're going to open up a new link right here. Okay, there, I typed it in. Okay, so here is my UGC creator portfolio. Whoever has the link, this is what they're going to see. They can kind of click through and see the different pages that we just created. Now, one thing I don't like about this is if you look up here on the tab, it says the name of the UGC creator portfolio template. So let me go back here to the editor. Okay, so here we are back on the editor. What you're going to do is here on the top, we're going to rename that. So I'm going to go ahead and rename that Make Money Anthony. Okay, now it automatically saves. And now if we go back here to the link up here at the top on the tab, it's going to say whatever name we put in there. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to create a UGC portfolio for free in Canva, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.